Okay, we got a last minute video shoot. I'm gonna pull this Lambo off here. Get some content for you guys.
All right. What are we doing today, boss?
I'm gonna shoot a last minute video shoot.
Last minute video shoot.
All right, this is Denny's studio.
What's good, guys? AMG Productions, Ice by Denny on the gram.
That's it.
Shout out Hustle Life, man.
Yeah.
He's like my mentor.
Here we go.
He's like the OG.
This guy's doing it. He's got his own studio.
Yeah,
A lot of video shoots happening here.
Make sure you get some scented candles. A lot of people like to smoke them.
For sure. Right, let's pull this thing in. Just waiting to get payment before I pull the Lambo in. 5 bills, 2 hours. The light's been holding up, especially the ones with the magnet. Came down here on the highway. Even at $120, magnets are holding up. So while the van is parked, my fridge, the Iceco fridge, I took it off the auxiliary battery power and I'm putting it into the Blue Yeti. Now I'm gonna put it in the 12 volt and turn it on. See, we got 80%. I'll turn the 12 volt power on. And now the fridge is on. So I'll let this keep the fridge running so I don't drain the battery on the auxiliary battery on the Mercedes. So it looks like we're at 4 degrees Celsius right now, and I'm gonna keep it at 0. So compressor is gonna be on to bring it down to 0. And that's how I'm gonna keep the fridge running until I'm done the video shoot. How's that? Are they ready?
Yeah, they're ready.
Okay.
Can you stop the car in the place?
Huh?
Can you stop the car in the...
Yeah, I'm gonna put it there now. How do you want it? Reversed or forward? Forward? Like on an angle or straight? shoot for today. Finish up with a meal. And let's check this Blue Yeti. We still got 54% in the battery remaining. And the drinks are cold. I'm gonna wash the hands. And finish off the day. Finish off the day with some chicken, rice, and salad. Time to eat. It's dinner time. Luxuries of having a van on the road. Pull off and eat inside. But yeah, that concludes today's hustle. Probably gonna go hit the gym later. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Another day, another hustle. Peace out.